New at 6 today, we learned Sheffield City Schools is increasing its mental health training to prepare employees to help students returning in the middle of the coronavirus pandemic. WAAY 31's Brecken Terry found out the exact actions the district is taking to help students navigate these most difficult times.
The Sheffield City School System used some of its CARES Act funding given to them by the state to have a new mental health services coordinator here on campus.
We definitely are aware that our students, our faculty, our teachers, and the families of our students are facing increased anxiety and depression, perhaps due to the pandemic.
Sheffield's new mental health service coordinator, Jacqueline Johnson, told me the coronavirus pandemic can impact students in a variety of ways.
Our families and our students may have faced unemployment. There may be a loss of job. There may be increased strain financially on a family. We're also mindful that some of our students are going to be worried about returning to school and the fear that they may get someone in their family sick.
The school system is doing specific training with some teachers to recognize trauma related to COVID and how to build relationships with students even if they're learning virtually.
We are going to use a trauma-informed approach. We are going to focus on personal wellness. We're going to focus on creating stability and predictability, because for so many of our students and families and teachers and staff, the year ended really abruptly. And so that, contributed to a change in routine.
This year, the high school will have Mabel, too. She's one of the school system's emotional support animals. Mabel used to be in the elementary schools, but she and her handler have moved to the high school.
She's trained to identify students who might be nervous or anxious, and just her presence coming up and nudging the student, possibly laying at their feet, tends to alleviate some of that anxiety.
Students will return to school here in the Sheffield City School System in staggered stages starting this Monday, August 17th. In Sheffield, Brecken Terry, WAAY 31 News.